LL15 of 2020, a brief guide to bird-friendly building design. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. A new mandate of this local law will go into effect in January 2021. As New York continues in its efforts to go green, one important aspect is ignored, which is its effect on the wildlife. Local Law 15 of 2020, going into effect on January 10, 2021. This law requires the use of bird-friendly materials on the exteriors of new buildings and on selected alteration applications in order to reduce the frequency of bird collisions. Already being hailed as one of the most broad-reaching bird-friendly building policies in the country yet, here's what you need to know. What type of job applications filed with DOB qualify for this local law? The main focus of these mandates is on the exterior glazing, of buildings' glass panels, and elements. Since birds cannot see glass, collisions are the main cause of bird fatalities in the metro area. But don't think this means you have to run out and replace all your glass panels. For your building project to qualify under these new rules, it must be 1 new building, NB, 1 a new building, which by default has all new glazing, or 2 alteration application 2 an alteration that is already replacing all exterior glazing. This law does not apply to any job filing with NYC DOB, which includes the following. 1 any alterations not replacing the exterior glazing. 2 storefront replacements of a portion of exterior glazing within the building. What about if I have a project which is already in the filing status? If you have a project already in the filing process, it will fall under LL15 if it hasn't reached one of the following statuses by the effective date. Job status D in NYC DOB BIS system. Pending CPE/ASP assignment or pending Professor Cert QA assignment status in DOB NET. What is required under this local law? 1 exterior wall envelope. The entire exterior wall envelope of the qualifying building must be constructed with bird-friendly materials from grade level up to 75 feet. 2 parallel glass walls. They must also be used wherever a fly-through condition, 2 parallel glass walls, is created, up to 75 feet above grade. 3 bird hazard installation. Any place on the exterior where a bird hazard installation, such as a glass awning, glass handrails, and guards, glass windbreak panels, or glass acoustic barriers, is proposed, regardless of building height. 4 adjacent to green roof. On the exterior adjacent to any green roof systems. What is bird-friendly material? Bird-friendly materials are defined as materials or assemblies with a threat factor of 25/100ths or under, in accordance with one of the following organizations. American Bird Conservancy Bird Collision Deterrence Material Threat Factor Reference Standard. American Bird Conservancy Bird-Friendly Materials Evaluation Program at Carnegie Museum's Avian Research Center Test Protocol, or another relevant ASTM standard. This can comprise of visual markers, glazing treatments that make the glass more visible to birds, and more. For more details on the requirements, please refer to the NYC Bird-Friendly Building Design and Construction Requirements Guidance document. Bird-friendly construction. But why? Why it is so important to have bird-friendly construction? According to the New York City Audubon Society, 90,000 to 230,000 birds are killed every year from flying into buildings, particularly into a glass. This has resulted in over 3 billion birds lost in North America since 1970, a more than 25% decline of the breeding population. Aside from the importance of preserving biodiversity in general, birds play an important role in pest control and pollination that must be protected. The measures being proposed under this law are created in conjunction with stakeholders like the Audubon Society, as well as the American Bird Conservancy and more, have in fact already been proven to work to reduce collisions. Brooklyn Javits Center considered one of the city's 3 deadliest buildings for birds just 10 years ago. Javits Center was renovated in 2013 to include bird-friendly glass, and reduced bird deaths in the area by a whopping 90%. In addition, the installation of bird-friendly materials comes with the added bonus of reduced energy costs, so in many ways it's a win-win for birds and humans. During COVID-19, where we were stuck inside, birds continued to provide inspiration, as birdwatching soared around the world. The best thing we can do is to give back to our fine feathered friends by helping them to thrive, even in the big city. Thanks for watching this video. Visit us at www.nicvio.com. Track your building compliance. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video. Questions and comments are always welcome.